The Mockingjay. Katniss Everdeen has been rescued from the Cortiquel arena only to discover that she has become the pawn in someone else's game. Her home, District 12, has been obliterated by the Capitol and she now lives in District 13. Supposedly destroyed by the Capitol, District 13 is the organizing force of the rebellion. 12 districts in Panem have taken up arms against the cruelty of President Snow and the exploitation by the Capitol. Katniss must now serve as the face of the rebellion, the Mockingjay, or forfeit the lives of her loved ones. She leverages her power over the rebellion's leader, Almond to her advantage. She soon discovers that her efforts will cost her dearly. For President Snow, this was preferable to all out war. However, Katniss was unable to convince Snow and the districts that she had not set out to inspire a rebellion. The next year, in the Cortiquel, Peeta and Katniss were sent back into the arena, along with past victors from the districts. When Katniss and her allies Finnick and Beetee were rescued by the rebels, Peeta was left behind and fell into the hands of the Capitol. By the time Peeta is rescued from the Capitol, his memory of her has been twisted so violently that he is a threat to her life. She finds purpose in her role as the Mockingjay, but she chafes under the scrutiny and control of the rebellion leader Coin, former game maker Plutarch Heavensbee, and her mentor Haymitch Abernathy. Katniss seeks comfort with her friend Gale. She is troubled, however, by his enthusiasm for the war and his and Beetee's inventiveness in creating new death traps for their enemies. Katniss watches in horror as Gale's tactics are used on Capitol soldiers in District 2, and she is wounded while she tries to reason with the survivors. Katniss returns to District 13 to recover, and she develops a surprising bond with her former adversary Johanna Mason. The two train together, preparing themselves again for combat. Katniss is assigned to an assault squad along with Gale, Finnick, and several others. Under the command of Boggs, the squad will not see much action in the Capitol, now rigged with deadly traps called pods. Instead, their task is to film Propose under the direction of Cressida to boost morale as the rebels close in on President Snow's mansion. When a member of their squad is killed, Coin sends Peeta to join Boggs' squad in the Capitol. Boggs and Katniss both recognize this as a threat to her life, and Boggs warns Katniss not to trust the power-hungry Coin, as she is willing to do anything, including killing Katniss, to get what she wants. The squad moves forward. Boggs guides their moves, aided by a holographic map of the pod locations. The information on the holo is a few weeks old, however, and before long, several members of the squad, including Boggs, are killed. Before he dies, Boggs reassigns the holo to Katniss, giving her command over the remaining squad members. Concealing her true plan, which is to assassinate President Snow herself, Katniss leads the group underground. Peeta, triggered by the chaos and carnage caused by the pods, begs Katniss to kill him. Instead, the squad works to help him distinguish what is real from what is planted in his mind by the Capitol. Though there are fewer pods underground, the squad soon discovers they are no safer there. They are attacked by a pack of Capitol created mutants, and more members of the squad are killed before the rest of them reach the surface.